order that I got them? Sure. My first tattoo that I got when wow. Farty pants. If I don't do anything else for the rest of the day, this is the end of my vlog. Your girl is tragic. It looks like a fucking tornado went off in it. I ordered fried chicken. Probably not going away anytime soon. Adam's in the shower, so I can fart. He won't hear me. Oh, that one kind of smelled. It was supposed to be like, they don't smell. That one kind of smelled. I have to shave my legs before I go get my vagina wax, and then I gotta get last minute things. But I really want to film a video reacting to my DMs. But yeah, I'm just really procrastinating my packing. Ooh, I farted and it smells. Why is it like keep happening? Do you think it's kombucha? That's like the only change in my diet recently. And if it's kombucha that's making me fart, I'm really sad, honestly. Don't really like the idea of someone not coming here to do, excuse me. Ooh, chill out. Yeah, so I woke up because those are not up on my website right now. Oh, it's not coming out. Thought I had one. This is really weird. Anyways. Let's get it. Happy Monday. Let's get it. Ooh.